I'm also just excited to see what will happen. To really just like fully be me, fully, like all the way, just me, yeah? What, I want to break barriers. I want to do things that nobody's been able to do, yeah? So yeah, that's what y'all signed up for.
I've been thinking about this, and I feel like my what if is it's kind of the same thing as trust, really, but it's surrender. Because for me, like, I got mad control issues, and it's crazy because I keep tricking myself into thinking that I'm in the driver's seat.
If my name is on some shit, I'm gonna do everything in my power to make that the biggest thing in the world. Like, I don't see any ceilings. I don't see a reason for like limiting myself, and I hope you're all in this room with a limitless mindset.